Yo, the Dirt Chain back in. I made a whole friggin' hour-long video yesterday. Only got the intro, which is like a minute and a half. Which the intro just kind of showed me showing off my new shed. Which you'll already see that in the intro if I clip that in there. Welcome back. It's the Dirt Champ again. I got a shed thing. It's pretty cool. Got all this stuff in there. Nice little 10 by 10. You know the spot. It's the jump spot. But yeah, got somewhere I can put all my stuff and trip. Today we mounted that last time, although that wasn't on video. Figured I'd finally get a new brake lever down here, since this thing has been bent and busted so many times. Like last week, this thing was bent all the way up right here. If you watched the last video, you'd know that. Anywho, so let's open this up, get right into it. From TB Parts. What the heck? They sent me a cup. I didn't order a cup, but nice. Here's what I ordered. Oh, wait a second. What else is down here? Oh, stickers. Well, there's some cool stickers. Info on back. Thank you. There you go. Hit them up on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, now this stuff. This guy. Don't look at my feet. It's illegal. Basically, yesterday we showed me doing the brake on this thing. I put the whole thing, took it apart, took this old guy off. She's a little bent and hammered, busted. Take the O-rings out of there, because that part wasn't, that's gone now. There's O-rings in there. Take those out. Don't forget that. Put them in there. Don't forget to grease your chingus, because this is greasy. Another thing I forgot to do. I had to take the whole thing apart, redo it. And this thing was a little spooky. There's a little cotter pin I didn't have, but got it on there and it works now. So now I have back brakes, and there's stuff in here. That's okay. We'll get that later. I also mentioned we were going to start working on, well, actually no, pause. Stickers. We got stickers, so I put some on there. Some places. That one's kind of hidden. Back there. Anywho, cool stickers, TB Parts. Check them out. They got this. They got that. They got these. They're a little dirty now, but they're pretty neat. Now, today, although they gave me a cup too for some reason. TB Parts. They gave me a cup. I didn't even order no cup, but now I got a cup. Never had a cup before. I was said well, you missed the video, but because it's deleted now, but I got a whole freaking wiring harness. Kind of seems like a small box, just for, not just for, but for all that wiring. I'm not a doctor, but it seems like a lot of work. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so this is our box here. Got lots of stuff. Supposedly there's a spark plug in here, but oh yeah, I see her down there. So here's some stuff. That's a separate stuff. There's one thing, two things. Oh, we got a key. Got a fresh key unit right here. Fresh key. Fresh unit, as they say. Oh, damn. Is this a stator? I wasn't planning to go that deep, but that's cool. New ECU, I think. CDI, whatever. Starter solenoid. That's that piece. some more technologia. This piece, hey, that's that piece. There's the spark plug. They didn't lie to me. Okay. I have no clue where to start. We're just gonna get into it, I guess. I'm gonna make a mess and probably break something. You know, this thing's got some extra switches. I don't have these on mine. But apart from that, oh, it didn't come with the dingle bop. The dingle bop switch. I think I might be able to. Well, I know it still worked before. Should be okay. Brah, brah, brah. Okay. I should say the guy got no clue where to start. I guess I'll get a knife, start cutting some zip ties. I guess it's not that much wiring. Is that come with it? Oh yeah, this is that. Found it. I'm gonna leave that there for a minute. Let me go get a knife. I'm back with tools. Sponsored by TB. TB, sponsor me. This here is my chair. Totally professional. Totally professional workspace. That's all you need, man. Oh, are you okay? Can you see? Good enough. Alright, so a knife. Knife. Find the whole shot. A little bit. The whole shot. We're not even racing. I mean, there's really not much zip tied up apart from that one and that one. Super useful. I definitely needed this. Whee! There's one. I gotta get a trash can in here. Wow, that's a thick one. There we go. Where does this thing even go to? This wire's been disconnected since I've had the frickin' thing. It still ran though, so whatever. Did they give me a new one of these? I don't think I saw that in there. Keyed unit goes over here to the plastics. This looks like a mess. If you ask me, should America eat sleep? This part's easy, I think. You just freaking throw that thing on. I do not see a new one of these. That looks electronical. I would have thought that would be in a wiring harness. Let's just start unplugging random shit and see what happens. Nice. I mean, I see a straight line, but it also looks bent. Or not bent, but like at an angle. Is it supposed to be straight or like... I don't know. Not a doctor. Well, at least some of this stuff I recognize, so maybe some of this stuff I'll start swapping out. This is also a 5-pinner, so that's good. Looks right. Supposedly this kit is good for 110s and 125s. So that's probably why, I don't know, hopefully these extra stuff on here doesn't ruin anything. But we'll see how it goes, I guess. This plug looks like it's formed into this fucking thing. You guys see that? It's like glued around it. Maybe I can't swap this one out. Or is it just already almost out? I think, oh yeah, that's not the plug. That's the receiver. Idiot. Thought you knew better, man. Come on. You're a dirt champ. What the heck? You got a 4-banger. You got a 4-banger. That looks like it had been loose. I wonder if that's why it wasn't working. Who knows? I don't. Oh, wait. Am I going to be replacing all this? Do I even need to plug it back in? I think I'll do it just for now, just so I can do extra work and waste my own time. Here, or was it here? I think it was here. That was a frog. Do you guys hear that frog? What in the world? Maybe it's this? Oh yeah, because this is this, I think. Oh yeah, it's the spark plug wire. I recognize that part. Okay, yeah, that looks like this. Did I drop something? Oh, that's okay. These wires were stuck to my butt. I gotta somehow wire these johns into those johns? Who do they think I am? Some kind of wiring mechanic? Some kind of wiring guy? I don't know. These guys are expecting too much of me, man. Too much. No, why would it be the same? Let's get stupid and make it different. Oh, my back. My back is broken. Honestly, I think Mr. Magneto down here is probably going to stay new unless I absolutely need it. Because it's just so much more wiring, man. Unless, I don't know. Did the plugs they put on here, they make them so like they could go into there? Is that what that's for? Maybe. That does look like, here's a blue and white to a blue and white. It looks like they have openings where we just put them in there, crimp them down. I don't know. We'll see if I absolutely need this. Next we're going to move on to this young fellow, which is quite a pain. Last time I was messing with this thing. Do they give me... They gave me this. Is this in there? This is in there. Okay. Where's the black one? Black guy. That's racist. Don't say black guy. Can't even say black guy anymore? That's weird. Bop, bop, bop. Rubber unit slides out. Do we have a new rubber unit? We do. This looks a lot cleaner than this John. Although, is it? Because yeah, it's pretty much just that one plug. And then you have to wire this other stuff in here. Dude, imagine I got these backwards. How do you even know which is which? Like, how am I supposed to know what's ground and what's positive? I mean, there's a green wire going to that one, so that leads me to believe ground. That's how it is on this one. I mean, yeah, we could look at the faces like that. But then, like, somehow they expect you to wire stuff and, like, still be able to close it? Or are they supposed to come out there? Some guacamole, if I ever heard of it. Which I haven't. I'm dying, by the way. Well, we could just put this in and say, boom, installed. Why is it so stretched? I just don't like this part. The wiling part. The wiling gummy. That was okay, don't do that. It's just supposed to be funny, alright? In our main harness, do we have a plug for this guy? I know, I'm kind of all over the place right now, but my brain's all over the place, so. Let's see, theoretically, this stuff will be here. So it should be. Got a 4-pinner, but it's like in a 9-pin container. Oh, the places you'll go when your mom is not a hoe. What? Should I even leave this? Is there gonna be a plug for this? Oh, jeepers creepers, man. Well, I mean, should I just take everything off? All this junk and go from there? That's what I'm thinking. Take off the whole main harn barn. The whole darn harn barn. Jarn. Yeah. Screwdriver. It's like a hog rider, but it's a screwdriver. We fudged it up. Alright. Old stuff is out. Well, now we gotta rewire this junk. Unfortunately. That's fine. I love not knowing what I'm doing. Makes me want to die. You know. This would solve all my problems with having to rewire that. Someone's honking. I'm gonna go see what's going on. My name's not Thomas. I'm not a goat from regular show. I'm also not a little demon kid from regular show. Super learning a lot right now. And the white and yellow also seem to go to this switch since there's options on it. You know, so the blue and brown is for those lights, and the other one's for the other lights. And then obviously that's off. So I don't know if you guys can see in there. There goes that again. So we need the green and the black and white, obviously. Blue, brown, not so much because those are light switches. The white and yellow, same thing, light switch. It's hard to see, but down in there, I mean, the only other options are the red and the black and white. Or, yeah, red, yellow, and black. So, we might be okay. Screw went all the way over here. So do I just take these out now, or do I depin them later? I don't know. I might even have to change the box, or like the little this piece. I'll see what I can do or can't do. I don't know. Careful there, buddy. Why is this not wanting to rotate? Rotate, you goon! There you go. Yeah, that'll be fine. I think I'm gonna open this up. What time is it? I gotta cook food too. 10 cock. Break time. Catch you later. Breakfast, actually, not break. Break fast. Break fast time. Maybe later today. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. We'll get back to working on this chingus. Yeah, we freaking got that done. That done. Whoa. Got that put on there. And obviously got that junk taken out, this new junk to put in, that junk out, tools, pools. Gotta get a pool one day. I'm back. I finished breakfast pretty quick. That's right. This is the next step. We're gonna take these out of here. We're gonna open this John up. Probably gonna have to take this off, so that'll be fun. If only I had some tools. This is just kind of the hodgepodge of random junk. I guess there's some stuff. An 11. I need a 10 though. Probably. I'd also like a ratchet instead of this junk. Yeah, nothing useful in here. Now I'll get my real toolbox. Kind of crazy, man. Like, freaking yesterday, it felt like it was like 90 or 100 degrees yesterday. Now it's like sprinkling and raining and like 70 or 60. I don't even know. The weather's going wild. California, I guess. If only it was girls gone wild. That would be cooler than weather gone wild. I'm gonna move you. Not the best spot. You're over here earlier. Let's see. Make sure you can see all the stuff. Some stuff. You can see the bike, the quad. Can't really see the tire. I don't know. Whatever. Good enough. Good enough for who's it for? Fucking nobody watches these. That's a 10. Just like me. This thing's also kind of weird. Like, it doesn't really go all the way on that shift shaft. Even though this is the shifter that came with this motor, there's no reason why it shouldn't have gone on further. It just seems like more chance for it to break. That's not 10, that's an 8. So why would they make stuff the same size? Make it easy, huh? Make it as difficult as possible. That's what their plan was. Just crack the seal so you know it's real. That's better. Yeah, cracking the seal. Oh, imagine them just snapping each of the bolts. That's what all that sound is. That loud snap. Jeepers, man, how much I gotta do to get this thing? Anybody else? Okay. That should be everything. Whoa, we're in here. Damn. Greasy in here. Okay, it looked a lot worse than it is, apparently. Whoa, buddy. So then, not this guy, not that guy, this guy. That's another weird look. This thing is like that, but this thing is like that. I don't know. Either they sent me the wrong thing or this ain't gonna work, man. And of course, this is one of those no return type deals, so that's wonderful. This thing looks way too big to go in here. Those don't line up. And there's no other bolt holes. Directly. Yeah, this thing is too big for this. Jiminy Christmas, man. I'll fucking take it apart anyway. You can't stop me. Don't threaten me with a good time. Well, should I though? Should I just try and wire this John back into this John? Because I don't think this is gonna bolt onto here. Like it, bolt holes 100% do not line up, especially for this to sit here. Should I just be an idiot and go through anyways and do it? So that's what I'm thinking. Let's see what, if anything, I'll just put it back on. Alright, that guy's out of there. Theoretically. This does not. It don't go. It don't go. Damn, my legs are hurting. This sucks. Oh, man. Fuck. Oh, yeah. You want to see in here? That's what it looks like. That's what this looks like. That's what this looks like not fitting. Is that... This box is in here. At least on this little box. I think we're out of options. We're gonna have to rewire this John. Or... Yeah, I guess I'll... I don't know, it's just tough because there's only 4 or 5 wires on this, and there's a bajillion. Well, and by a bajillion I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 2 extra wires on this one. I don't know. I guess I'll put this back in here and figure it out the hard way. Alright. Throw this back in here. This on here. So even though I wanted to use this, we're SOL. You're not going to be able to see anything I'm doing. You can see me. They might be calling for me for those dang kids. Oh, I'll be back. Alright, yeah, I'm back. Screwing this John in now. Putting the old one back in, the old new one, because the new one didn't work, as I said already. It's almost like that's just backwards. I wonder. No, still, like I said, these middle bolts, which are like the main thing to hold this part in, don't line up. So there would be no way to actually mount this thing in there. So, I guess we're stuck using the old stuff. It's just one. I guess so. Where was this now? Heck if I know. Something like that, I think. I mean, that seems right. I don't know why that's there though. Because it seems like... Dang it. God dang it, Bobby. What did I do? What did I say about being gay? Is that spot supposed to be open there? I thought that was supposed to go there, but then it doesn't do that thing if you try and put that there, so. Should I see? I might want to. Kind of want to see if the motor's locked up. Because last time I tried to start this thing, it didn't want to start either. It didn't want to turn over at all. Some bolts in here. Imagine this is upside down or something. Hope not. Okay, you don't want to go in by hand, but you don't want to freaking... Alright, well, you guys died. So back to the phone. Remember, I was saying I wanted to turn this over. Well, I was doing that. Got that in. I wanted to turn this over to make sure it still turns over. Whoa, what the heck? There it goes. I think. I don't know if this is really the thing. I don't know. It seems like it's got stuff going on. Stuff turning over. And it moves the bike. And I do that. So I guess we're in gear. Anywho. I'm going to put this back on to there, and then eventually we'll rewire that to fit this whole mess. So that'll be fun. I think I ordered the wrong freaking thing. Didn't look at the pictures right, but I'm just gonna try and make it work anyway, because I'm not gonna waste more money on another part. So currently, that's what we got. Just a whole mess. I plugged this in because I think that plugs in there. And I plugged that in because I think that might plug in there. Even though these colors definitely don't line up. We got a yellow in here and no yellow in here. This is all a mess. I don't know. That didn't fit, obviously. I think I said that already. That's the key. And that goes in over there, though, so that doesn't matter right now. I think I'm just going to take a break. Get ready for work. Come back to this tomorrow. Or never. Debating getting the old motor out. Just take that one out, put that other one back in, because this is where all our issues started. But I guess if I do that, I have to try and get that back in there instead of that wiring stuff. I don't know. This project sucks, and the quad kind of sucks too. But when it's running, like it's okay. It's fun. It's I don't know.